Hi, this is Juanita Wright from the Right Home Experts, and today I'm going to tell you 4 reasons why you need to hire a real estate agent. Reason number 1, timing the market. Did you know that there's a right time and a wrong time to sell your house? Real estate agents have the resources and the expertise to know when the best time to put your house on the market. Reason number 2, pricing your property. Real estate agents will price a house differently than a homeowner will. They'll take in consideration the location, the condition of the home, and comparable sales in that area are all factors that help us decide on the best price for your home. Reason number 3, marketing your listing. Real estate agents have the resources to market your home in the best possible light. By staging your home and having professional photos taken, these are some tools that a real estate agent uses to attract the right buyer. Reason number 4, the convenience. Selling your home is a lot of paperwork. Having a real estate agent oversee and guide you through your paperwork will help to avoid any mistakes that can become costly. When it comes to negotiation, your real estate agent always has your best interest at heart. A real estate agent knows when to hold them and when to fold them to get you the best results. Simply put, we're just here to handle all the stress. The next time you're considering selling your house, I'd recommend you hire an agent. Interested in buying or selling a home? Call the Right Home Experts so we can help you with your real estate needs.